Hey everyone, you welcome back to my channel. So today I'm talking about how you can travel to the USA using ESTA. ESTA is a visa waiver program that allows eligible travelers to visit the US for 90 days without a visa. A friend of mine recently asked me about this. He wanted to visit New York and he has a German passport, but he wasn't sure if he needed a visa. So if you're wondering the same thing, let me explain everything you need to know about ESTA. So what is ESTA? ESTA stands for Electronic System for Travel Authorization. It is a visa waiver, meaning if you qualify, you don't need to apply for a visa to visit the US for tourism, for business, for transit, or family visit, or whatsoever, as long as your trip is within that 90 days. So, who can apply for this visa waiver? So, citizens of Visa Waiver Program VWP countries like Germany and many other EU countries, and traveler with no prior visa denial for the US, which I'll be breaking down as follows. So, this is the catch. Where are you eligible for ESTA? If you have ever been denied a USA visa, your ESTA eligibility might be revoked. If you previously applied for a US work or student and you got rejected, you may no longer qualify for ESTA. And if you used to have a Nigerian or other African passport before becoming a German or EU citizen, and you were denied a USA visa before then with your African passport, with your Nigerian passport, you must apply for a fresh visa. You have to go to the embassy to apply for a visa, and you get a sticker visa on your EUB German passport, so you will not be eligible for ESTA. So my friend who has always had a German passport used to apply for ESTA, but at the point in time he applied for work permit and it was denied, so his ESTA too was revoked, so he has to apply for a regular visa and he got 10 years sticker. So it's not really an issue, it's still quite straightforward to get, but once your ESTA has been revoked, you have to just apply for a regular visa. So you want to know how long does ESTA approval take? Yeah, the processing time is around about 72 hours, but the last time I tried it, less than 1 hour, it was approved. And once approved, you receive a confirmation email. Make sure you put the correct email so that you get the email. Then once it's approved, once you have confirmation email, you can just pack your bags and travel to the US for 90 days without a visa. Quite straightforward. You don't even need to print out anything, just have this in your email, like the information will be transmitted to them at the border control. So safe traveling. So I'll be showing you how to fill the form, how to go about it, how to apply for ESTA. Quite straightforward, easy. You want to go to the official ESTA website, which is esta.cbp.dhs.gov. You click create applications. When you click create application, you have to upload a clear picture of your data page passport, and you have to provide a valid email address. This is where you will receive your confirmation, and you have to fill out the application form carefully, and you pay $21 for application fee. So it's quite straightforward and easy, and I'll be showing you how you go about filling the so you want to come on Google, then you type ESTA application, then it lands you to the official ESTA application. Then when you get to the page, you want to create new application, and you can change the language if you so wish. So when you click on a new application, then it lands you to the main page. Then you want to come on disclaimer. Most of the time it has to be yes, so you have to click on yes. Then you want to click on next. to take you to the next page, then it lands you to the main page. And on the main page, you have to upload your data page. Most of the time, once you upload the data page, it will upload your name, family name, and the passport number, issuing country. So you just have to enter the date of birth and some other things, and you make sure you put the right email, and because you want to get the email, the confirmation email. But you have to always upload your passport, and in this column you are able to know if you are eligible or not. So these are the countries that are eligible for visa waiver. Like as you can see, you can as well check if your country is in this column. If not, then you are not eligible. So once you upload the data page, then you go next. So you go to the next page, then you want to pay on the next page. Then if you have not uploaded your data page, then you have to. My final thought: if you have a German passport and no prior visa issue, or you have other EU passport, ESTA is the easiest way to visit the US. But if you have ever had a denial, you might need to apply for a US visa instead. So you want to be checked to be sure you are qualified for a visa waiver, and you don't get surprised like when your ESTA is not approved. So you know what is really wrong, what is really not right. That's why your ESTA is not being approved. So that will be everything about ESTA for now. In my next video, I'll be showing you how you can apply for a US visa without no hassle. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more travel tips. Safe travel, and see you in my next video. Ciao.